So I just went for a ride, just a random ride. I always take my camera with me because sometimes, you know, something special happens like this and you want to film it. I just picked a random road on the map, ticked it, and said, okay, just go there. I've never been here, but I came across this whole off-road section. I filmed it all, so you're gonna see it. It's just cool what you can find if you just literally just stick the map on a green area and just go there. It's really cool. And you don't always have to follow the navigation. If you think, oh, that's a cool road, oh, just go there. Just making the most of the day. Just the last couple of beautiful days probably here in Belgium. But I have to move now because there's a guy coming. I made room for the tractor, but now I'm in the bush. I'm a bit stuck because there's a little bit a downhill here, and maybe I can just go forward, but I'm gonna go into the tree. Oh yes. Ugh. Just keep on the gas. Rev. All right, nice. So yeah, just really random, cool place and some off-roading. So I'm just gonna keep filming and go on. So you wouldn't say it, but it just rained, so there's a lot of mud and a couple of places where there's water. So I have to be careful. I feel my wheels slipping under me. This is proving to be a little bit of a challenge. My wheels are just turning and slipping. It's just really muddy here. Stick in the middle. I'm in the side. I'm on the side. Alright, I guess there's more mud. Oh, I'm in seconds, no problem, but maybe... Alright, this is gonna be tricky. I'm just gonna keep to the right, because there's grass on the right. Wherever there's grass, it's less loose. I really lost control over there. Alright. It looks so stupid, but it's so wet and I have not the right tires. So the little stubble that I have on my tire is just filled up with mud. So there's just absolutely no grip. It's just like being on ice. Which is also fun, but you really have to be careful and go slow. Power slides. Alright. This is harder soil. Whenever I hit asphalt, I will probably just accelerate a bit so that the mud comes off the tires. So whenever I'm in a straight line like this, and it's possible, just I think by taking that little off-road track, I accidentally crossed the border into the Netherlands, which is absolutely no problem, but it's funny, just crossing borders without even knowing it. I just found another track. And I'm looking for signals all the time telling me I cannot go here. In Belgium and in the Netherlands, it's really a sensitive topic because some people really are strongly believers of not letting motorized vehicles pass through these little tracks, which I can understand. But on the other hand, it's really fun to do so, and I'm not the one with the loud exhaust and the one that's gonna disturb everyone. So if you just take it easy, then I believe it's okay. So I'm just gonna go because there's no signs that says I can't go. There are some general rules that you cannot enter forests, but this is not a forest, so this is okay. If you can pass through it with a car, and it's allowed with a car, then you're also allowed with a motorcycle. So here you can perfectly just ride. Oh, I passed through here. I just passed through this little track. Oh, it's really muddy. was a lot of mud. I think I was gone for about 2.5 hours, something like that, so that's not really that long. But it was a really surprising fun ride. So I hope you enjoyed this little video, and now I guess this movie quote. Always remember folks, you heard it first from Charlie.